If you're looking for an affordable way to add some more comfort to your 2011 to 2018 JK Wrangler, this officially licensed Jeep Neoprene center console armrest cover with the Jeep logo in black will be a great way to do it. Now this is going to be a great addition to your Jeep if you're looking for some small mods that are really going to make a difference, whether you want to add some more style to the inside of your Wrangler, add some extra comfort when you're leaning on the console, cover up any existing imperfections, and or prevent any additional wear and tear. Now this is also going to match with any officially licensed Jeep seat covers if you're looking to complete the package with OE quality and Jeep branded styling. This will feature a cat and cam design to contour to your center console perfectly, offering a clean appearance and a tight fit to help keep this in place so it's not moving around when you have your arm on it. Now this will also have a cutout at the front to make sure that you have access to that handle and lock there so the console functions properly, while also adding the extra benefits of the cover, like covering up any imperfections and adding some comfort when you're resting your arm. Now for what this is going to be pretty tough for a cover made of a black neoprene material. If you're familiar with neoprene when it comes to seat covers, this is going to be essentially the same just for your center console. Now this is going to wick water and spills away very well. It's going to keep it looking brand new and also have a UV fade resistant design, so you don't have to worry about this fading when the top is off. This will also have reinforced seams on the side for some extra insurance and foam backing to maintain an incredibly comfortable design if you are resting your arm on your center console pretty often. Not to mention, the Jeep logo is embroidered, not printed, which adds that additional luxe feel to the inside of the cab area. Now this is going to come in at about $30, making this an incredibly affordable mod. Now compared to some other options, this is not only going to add that comfort aspect to the center console with a more plush feel than other plastic options if you're really resting your arm on it a lot, but it's also going to be perfect to match any other Jeep branded or neoprene covers that you may already have inside of your Wrangler. Now I think if you're looking for those benefits in a quality cover that's going to last you for years and really not break the bank at all, then this is going to be a great choice. Install is a no-brainer at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about a minute to pop this on and enjoy. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has actually installed this on their Wrangler and is going to walk you through how to fit this up and get it sitting perfectly in yours at home. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
This video is going to show you how to install the Jeep center console cover neoprene. We recently ordered the neoprene seat covers from ExtremeTerrain and decided that the center console also needed a cover, so we ordered the Jeep cover here. It's really good quality. It does come with a Mopar official licensed product sticker. So we're going to go ahead and install. The product does come in a box, which is pretty good. It's kept in really good condition. We open here, it does come with an installation guide. Installation on this is very simple. No tools are required other than your hands to manipulate the cover around the console. You'll see here that it's elasticated. It does have an opening at the top here, which will provide opening and access to the controls of the center console. Quality is really good, just like the neoprene seat covers. It has a good sponge here, and it's also a stitched Jeep emblem on the front there, which again is really good. So great quality. Now we'll start the install. First thing you need to do on the install is to ensure that you hook the the back of the elastic around the rear of the console so that it's pretty tight. It is a very snug fit, so we'll pull it around, ensuring that we everything tight, and manipulate the cover in place so that it sits central to the console. You'll see here, there's the opening, so it allows you access to the console lid itself. We can pull that up here, and as you can see, everything fits nicely around the console. Access to the levers there, everything fits in good, and I would suggest if it's a little tight that, you know, stretch it on and just manipulate it in place with your hands until you make sure that everything sits as central as you would like it to be.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this officially licensed Jeep Neoprene center console armrest cover with the Jeep logo in black, fitting all 2011 to 2018 JK Wranglers. And remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.